YouTube, what's going on? So I get a good angle. Tie back with another video from xking.com, and today I'm gonna talk about how to become a super affiliate. Now, what is a super affiliate? A super affiliate, in my definition, is a person or affiliate who's made a lot of commissions on one or more products. Now, anybody could be a super affiliate. If I sell 100 of these books, I sold a bunch. That's a super affiliate, and that's a super affiliate to me. There's affiliates of super affiliates, the big time ballers who make money online from promoting other people's products, and how to become a super affiliate is my question. I thought about this long and hard, and if somebody came and asked me, how you become a super affiliate? Well, the number one thing that a super affiliate has that a regular affiliate doesn't have, the one thing they got is traffic. They got a lot of traffic. They got tons and tons of traffic. They probably got a big email list or a big blog or a big YouTube channel where they can promote anything and make money. You need traffic. In order to be a super affiliate or a good affiliate, you need traffic. Traffic is eyeballs on offers. Traffic is people buying whatever you're selling. Traffic. You need traffic. And no matter how you slice and dice it, you need traffic. Traffic is what drives the business. Traffic is very important. Traffic is, you ain't getting no traffic, you ain't making no money. Now, I understand traffic plus conversions equal money, but if you don't have traffic, how do you know your conversions work? I can have the best conversions in the world, but I don't have no traffic to it. What does that matter? So you need traffic, and how you get traffic, there's hundreds of ways to get traffic. You can buy traffic, you can blogging traffic, website traffic, there's YouTube traffic, social media traffic. You can buy solo ads. There's so many ways to buy traffic. And the one thing I will say is this: buying traffic is a great idea. It's faster, but if you don't have a lot of money for traffic, you can't buy a lot of traffic. You gotta buy a lot of traffic. You can't just spend $200-300 on traffic, then you'll make that money back. It don't work that way. Unless you play the long game and get the email address. What I suggest people do is two things. You do both. Do free traffic and paid traffic. See, you want to build your blog and a YouTube channel, social media platforms. You want to build those things up for free, because making a video is free. The blogging is extremely cheap. Social media is free. So you want to build these things up over time. And between time while you're building things up, you could buy some traffic. You go ahead and buy traffic. You can build your little list and start emailing people. That's how I do it. There's no point of just buying paid traffic, because I'm gonna tell you something. If once you're out of money, the traffic stops. Once you spend your money, traffic is gone. So you want something in the background, like a blog or a channel, you could get some views and a little bit of traffic to it. So I do both. I do both. I do blogging, YouTube, and social media traffic, and I buy traffic. I do both. I do solo ads. I do a little mini ads. I use Udemy for ads, for paid traffic. So a lot of paid traffic sources out there. So that's how you become a student affiliate. And option two, what you could do, if you want to become a student affiliate, I have a program down below the video. Check it out. It's how to become a super affiliate in the first 100 days. I got that program for you. It's free. It's free to join. It don't cost you no money to join. It's free. And what it is a bunch of emails telling you how to get people involved. It's provided by ClickFunnels. They host the whole program, and it's free to join. Don't cost you no money. And you can email us each day, teaching you how to drive traffic, how to get traffic. One, how to drive traffic to affiliate offers for free. It's a free training. Free course, free training. It costs you nothing. Only thing, it costs you a little bit of time and your email address and name. That was it. It's free. So look down below for that video and a little piece of advice that start your blog, YouTube channel now. Go ahead and start it, and then buy traffic in between time. build your list. Once you start getting some emails, email them however much you want to. Is it every day? Do email a day. Is it every other day? Every other day, do email. Me personally, I would do email each day, because the people who email me about product and services, they constantly email me. They're constantly promoting. You want to be in somebody's psyche, somebody's mind all the time. So that's the way I look at it. The How to Become a Student Affiliate, you need traffic, and if you need help getting traffic, you could join the program that I have. It's free to join, and it will teach you how to become a student affiliate in the first 100 days. And a super affiliate definition is making $4 grand per month. You make $4,000 per month with affiliate marketing, you're a super affiliate. And that program that I got will show you how to do that. Okay, time for the xking.com. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.